Wait. Wait to cross. Wait. Wait to cross. Wait. 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 Wait to cross.
Apparently these count automatically too. Look at this one.
Wait, 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 wait to cross. Wait, 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 wait.
I wonder if this one does the Australian walk signal.
Wait.
Only a matter of checking it out. It might not though. It might do the bubbling sound.
Wait. 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 Wait to cross. Wait. 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 Wait.
It's a little busy, so this might take a bit. The only thing's original about the intersection here is the pedestrian beacons. They actually replaced some old buttons here with these now.
Wait, 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 wait to cross.
Should be getting a yellow. There we go. It's got numbers on the bottom. Yep, it does. It does have the Australian walk signal. But these ones don't do the high-pitched beeping sound either. They don't do the high-pitched beep. Speaker's messed up on this one. You can faintly hear it. Yeah, these ones do the Australian beep.
Wait. Wait to cross. Wait, wait. Wait, wait. Wait. Wait to cross. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait. Wait to cross.
There's your new signage.
Wait. Wait to cross. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Yeah, despite these being just typical Campbell Guardians, these ones are pretty much like the Tucson ones that are further up, minus the wave technology. This one doesn't lack. This one lacks wave technology.
Wait, wait to cross.
So does another button that's along Miracle Mile and Flowing Wells.
Wait, wait.
But that reason for being replaced, the only reason why that one you can't wave at is because they decided to put a standard Campbell wave in its spot.
Wait to cross. Wait. Wait, 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 wait.
I'm under the assumption that one on the far left over there, so that one over there, is newer than the other 7.
Wait.
Yeah, it's not newer. It just looks like that. End it off here.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait to cross.
that was all the pedestrian ones here. Hope you enjoyed.